There are over 10,000 kinds of birds in the world. Let's see some examples. House sparrow, European starling, American crow, American goldfinch, western bluebird, snowy owl, osprey, common loon, scarlet tanager, eastern screech owl,